Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. A pall of sorrow hung over Caymanas Park Monday morning during the exercise session at the track as stakeholders reacted to the tragic passing of jockey Mullings, who was murdered Sunday evening.
Well, me always call him, and me always tell him, say, boy, I don't think, when we are on joke with him, I always tell him, say, boy, Mullings, I think you're dead by accident, You understand? Because amount of accident you go through, I think, and a be iron in you. So, I think you're dead by accident. And you see what happened.
A running joke between former president of the Jamaica Jockeys Guild, Shane Ellis, and the now deceased Mullings that has now proved prophetic. Mullings was shot and killed in the community of Waterhouse Sunday evening. For those who saw him on Sunday morning, it's still hard to process.
He was here yesterday morning, we worked us together and about She's Dallas Love that he wrote, and him saying get licked down in the whole way I get lit down. And we were talking and saying, boy, a racing and, sometimes it's hard when the inside and ask to close it down and thing.
Yes, Mullings was at the track yesterday and we were talking. I'm the first agent to win a race with Mr. Mullings when he came out for a trainer named Steve Badu. It was a last race. And we were talking about that yesterday morning. And he was joking about a lot of things. He's a man in the mornings. He joked with agents, he joked with grooms, he joked with trainers. He was here and he was in a happy mood.
Mullings, who began his riding career in 2002, was a veteran of the sport with 415 career wins. His 400th win came aboard Princess Aquila for trainer Lawrence Fremantle on August 6, 2024. Expressing his sorrow is trainer Spencer Chong, who has had fond memories of Mullings.
What do you call him? You're a very happy-go-lucky guy, Always excitable and always brought fun to the sport. And, good jockey. I remember one time when I first got my license, long time, horse named Paget Princess. That was maybe one of the most exciting races. I'll always remember that race,
Mullings last rode for his apprentice master Richard Azan in the Jamaica Oaks on August 2, where he was aboard Danka, who finished 5th.
He was always a very hard-working, aspiring jockey. He suffered a lot of injuries along the way, and he kept to the profession. And it's so sad and unfortunate to see that his life could have been snuffed out in the manner in which it was. So we're all saddened this morning that a colleague has passed in that manner.
Meanwhile, Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, SVREL, operators of Caymanas Park, are expressing shock and sadness by the sudden and tragic passing of Mullings. SVREL, in a release on Monday, said his dedication and skill in the saddle made him a respected figure among his peers and in Jamaica's racing community. Mullings' final win came astride generational on July 19, 2025, for trainer Carlton Cunningham. He was an executive member of the board of the newly formed Jockeys and Jockeys Agents Association. Affectionately called Lester Piggott, Iron Man and Mullo, Mullings was 49 years old at the time of his passing. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.